yeah, 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 yeah. Hip-hop culture has 5 elements. All are important, each one is relevant. Hip-hop culture has 5 elements. All are important, each one is relevant. Break dance and shows off your dance moves. Might be in the street with some fresh tennis shoes. DJing takes a lot of skill. You get to play music and pay your bills. Graffiti is an art that you spray on the wall. You might have even seen it in a bathroom stall. Yeah. Rapping uses rhyming words to tell stories. Boogie with the beat, then you flow for the glory. The most important property is knowledge. Then apply that wisdom in and out of college. Now, a good friend once told me that sometimes artists can weird people out. What makes me different is that I have the ability to bring people into my weird. One of my main goals, my big idea, is critical thinking. Once you take away all the distractions we face as adults and children, our aim is simple: to be heard, to be understood, and to feel comfortable. My aim is to share my art and learn from anyone I share my art with. I use the culture of hip hop, specifically rapping and beatboxing, as well as spoken word, to engage, entertain, elevate, and educate. Get schooled with Mr. Root. That's me. Now, hip hop is a culture that tells a story with all of its elements. Get Schooled is an interactive music assembly that teaches students about the history of hip hop and how it has grown since DJ Kool Herc arrived in the Bronx. Rapping, freestyling, beatboxing, spoken word, and lyrical exercises are covered during this program. Rap flavored English, to gain a better understanding of the hip hop culture while making seamless connections with current course material in the hip hop residency. My engaging personality invites students to learn, listen, and participate. Rhyming couplets, non-traditional quatrains, and spoken word can be used to summarize and draw conclusions. It could also help to eliminate confusion. The Mask Workshop, using rhyming couplets, raps, to aid in critical thinking about oneself in class material. I utilize the art forms of rapping and beatboxing to differentiate and appeal to a variety of learners while maintaining the integrity of the curriculum in the Mask Workshop. How do you identify yourself? How do you see yourself? We all wear the mask. This PD is informative and gives teachers and administrators information that they can use immediately. The goals: professors will be more comfortable using rhyming couplets in lessons. Templates and step-by-step guidance will aid in applying to various subjects in this workshop. To book me for an assembly, professional development, or residency, go to www.yamd.org. That's www.yamd.org. You are important, you are valuable, and your thoughts and ideas matter. Peace.